So now I'm holding a baby crocodile. Can you see a beautiful lion? A handsome lion is holding a crocodile.
Yeah.
Did you ever watch a fight? Lion versus crocodile. Now here it is. Yes, this is a quite unfair fight. This is a baby. I'm a grown-up lion.
Yeah.
Do I look like a lion? Look at my beard.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can see there's a lot of. To be honest with you, I really want to eat this one today.
Yes. Today, but you know which part?
I don't know which part.
Tail and the legs.
Leg.
Ribs
So
also.
how we should fry or what?
Fry or roast?
Roast.
Yes.
I like roast. I like
like
roast.
roast?
I like roast.
Oh, but
Yeah, can you tell
fry.
me more about this one? What kind? So how old is this?
This one is 5 years old.
5 years old.
Yeah, and she takes time to grow. And
So she's a female.
she's a female. She's a girl.
Okay.
Yeah. And look, I wanna open her mouth.
Okay. Oh, it's a quite sharp teeth bite.
Look,
You see,
quite sharp teeth.
quite sharp teeth.
Yes. Put your finger in the mouth.
No, I don't want to put. I'm not that stupid.
You get 4 fingers home. Yeah. Look.
Really, it's quite.
Yeah.
It's okay. Stop. Depress the same button.